Hi, welcome to Raymondson Education Online. This is our A2 Advanced 2 Maths class. Come on in, welcome. Get the date down, get the title down, get the learning objective down. Yeah, because you already have your book out. Yeah, you already got your book out. Absolutely fantastic. I'm Dwayne, full up Mr. D is what most people call me, so feel free, Mr. D. And we're ready to go. Are you ready to go? Is your book out? Make sure you get into date, the title, learning objective down. And what else I need to tell you? Make sure you have two different color pens. You want to have your black or blue pen to write, and then you want to have a different color pen to make corrections. So it's about having very clear work is very important. It's going to help if you choose one of our packages where you submit a work for feedback. It helps us as well to know what work you did on your own and what was a correction. And what else? Make sure you're in a quiet place. Okay. By the way, if you haven't realized, let me see. I can get the angle of this right here. These CGI graphics technology. Yeah, you can see there's a visible thinking panel there. Yeah, visible thinking panel. I'm not as good as the weather person. Practice, I'll get there. And key things, what I'm thinking, I make my ideas visible. That's the idea behind it. You can see coming up on those panels throughout. So make sure you're looking at them when they're visible. They won't always be. Okay. And what's the other key bit that I need to tell you? I'm looking through my list. There's a really cool panel. I can't show you everything on the screen, but I got a massive dashboard of things. It's cool. I like this. I like this. You need to tell everybody bye-bye. You're going to go into maths world. You're going to be studying maths now. All your distractions. I've dealt with all the school and stuff that happens in school and class and all. I've dealt with that. You need to now deal with the environment you've chosen. You have choice of where to study now. You need to make sure it's appropriate. Okay, so. And switch off your social media and all of that. It's no good to be starting to get into a groove of thought, trying to solve a maths problem, and then just the phone ring and we don't do that. Yeah, so get rid of all those things. And it's I'm thinking. No, those are the key points I want. That's you want to get started with. And from there, now I can switch my screen. Yep, and don't need to see my beautiful face much anymore for now. Anyway, so you should have the date, you should have the title, learning objective down, and there's a question now on the board for you to have a go at. And you might be thinking, but you haven't taught me anything. I came here to learn, no, you learn maths by doing. You learn maths by getting stuck in, by trying to do stuff, okay? So you got to try. And remember, this is Advanced Math 2. That question, you should be able to make some headway with it based on work you did in Advanced Math 1. Whether you covered it with Raymondson or if you covered it with someone else in school, for example. You should have done some work on algebraic fractions and algebraic division. Use those ideas, use what you did in GCSE on adding fractions, algebraic fractions as well, and see how far you can get with this question. Okay, clock is up now. I'm going to put up the clock. Yeah, we time you, we pace you. The clock is running because in an exam you'll expect to do a question like this in about 4 minutes. So the clock is running, and when you finish, you move on to the next video, and we'll see what goes on there. Okay. So off you go. I'm going to leave you with that. Oh boy. Uh-oh. Whoa. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Stop, everybody, stop. Come on. Hold up. Ladies and gentlemen, something, whoa. Something's wrong with that function. Let me move that. Can you see? Look at that function carefully. Can you realize something's wrong? Something's wrong with that function. What is it? You thinking? Oh, you were thinking what I'm thinking. Where is it? 13. What would happen if x was minus 3? Error. 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 Yeah, you're gonna get. Can you divide by 0? No. So we have a problem with this function. It hasn't been well defined. I need to put in that needs to be there now, because the domain, the number of the values of x that the function can accept, it can accept anything, but it can't accept minus 3 as its input. It's really important we recognize that. So if you picked up on that before, really, 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 really cool. Really proud of you. Good stuff. And you were probably thinking that this guy doesn't know what he's doing. No, 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 no. I got it under control. Thank you very much. But just you see this in textbooks, etc. So much. Just make sure you're conscious of those things, and when you're writing your own functions, because we're gonna get into that, creating our own functions. We're gonna get into using technology, R, Python, Excel to do stuff. This is a cool course. It's not just about getting ready for whatever exam you're doing, A level, IB, etc. We got some cool stuff going on here. This is what class in school, what I wish, what you wish, what everybody wishes it could be, but it's so hard to do it. But you can with Raymondson. So now we can get back. So I'll just move that. There's nothing wrong with the function. The clock can continue. I'm sorry for distracting you. But that was important. We had to make that current correction if that was not disturbing you. And yeah, see if you can express it as a single fraction in the remaining time. Then move on to the next video where I will go through what the solution should look like. Okay, great stuff. Great stuff. You have about 30 seconds left, so you should start wrapping up now. And when you finish, move on